See more in Full HD 1080p video. This state-of-the-art 4-camera, 8-channel DVR 4580 wired surveillance camera system sees faces, logos on clothing, labels on boxes, license plates close-ups in Full HD 1080p video. The camera's construction provides 24/7 protection in rain, snow, heat more. Each Pro-1080 MSFB has a 90-degree viewing angle night vision up to 100 feet in black-white up to 32 feet in color with the bright sensor warning lights. Add 4 more cameras for 8-channel surveillance. Tired of paying for extra storage? Enjoy free video storage with no ongoing costs. This wired security system delivers reliable home, office and retail protection 24/7. Have peace of mind knowing that if something happens you will always have video evidence. Store months of video footage onto the massive 1 TB hard drive with no additional costs and upload footage to the cloud by linking your DVR to your own Dropbox account. True Detect Heat Motion Sensing. This professional quality DVR security system detects moving warm objects, like people and cars, triggering recording and push notifications so you can act immediately to prevent unwanted activity. With reliable notifications and fewer false triggers, you'll save time and stress. With Swann Smart Search technology, you can select a specific area of the image to search for movement within recordings. Security made smarter. Alexa, show me the front door. Compatible with Alexa-enabled smart devices like your Echo Show, Echo Spot, and 4K Fire TV. Also compatible with Google Assistant and Chromecast. Live stream from multiple cameras and multiple sites, playback video, receive push notifications and more on your mobile device via the latest Swann security app. Top reviews from the United States. Goodbye if you are looking for a camera system to keep watch over your home or business. The security cameras come with a lot of features. This is a full kit, so no hardware required, only the tools needed to complete the install. This was well worth the price.